I think today I need to push him to his boundaries. And I'm not talking about as far as education and stuff like that. I'm talking about physically push him with his body. I need to push his body to failure. And I'm so serious. And the way I'm going to do that is I think we're finna go to either Stone Mountain or Kennesaw Mountain. And we're about to take a hike. The caveat, or not the caveat, but how I'm going to push his body to failure, I'm going to make him wear his plate carrier. And if y'all don't know what that is, just Google it. He has a plate carrier. Ultimately, what it's going to do, it's going to build his, it'll build his core, build his strength. And he ain't going to be damn happy with me, but... You need water?
No.
Come on. How's that feel? You tired already?
It's better.
It's better. Let's do it. You got it.
What back?
You ready to keep going?
No.
Let's go. That's it. Go. 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 Take off. Let's go. That's how you earn that iPad. Let's do it. We definitely walking. He wore out already. You wore out? Let me see. Come on. He said, woo. Get on the right side, buddy. Keep going, keep going. Be careful. Stay on the trail. Hey, come on. Come on, it'll be all right. We got a shower. It don't matter if it's dirty. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna leave you. You better come on. Pick them legs up. There you go. Go, 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 go. Boy, you gonna earn that iPad. You got to earn it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Good job. Moving. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Don't look back. I got you. I got your six. Go. Go. There you go. Keep going. You clean your glasses?
Yes.
How was that walk?
Good.
Gonna do it again? Wanna go it down?
Yes.
Rain slowing down. Let's go. Look at this. Hold on. You did it, buddy. You made it to the top. Here.
Oh, no, it's raining.
It's just okay. It's just some rain. Come on. It's raining a lot, but come on. Let me see you chug that water. Get some of that water in your system. You did it. I'm proud of you. And it's lightning. We about to go. Nice. All right. One bit down. We're gonna go. Let me tell you how proud of a pappy I am. As we was going up, he wanted to stop at every step, every seat he seen, every bench. And as we started coming down, I said, you want to rest? He said, we rest at the truck. And that makes me such a proud pappy, probably because of the rain. Hey, you had fun?
Yes.
Let me see, how wet are you? You a little wet or just a lot of wet?
A lot of wet.
A lot of wet, okay.